Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a fart sound with a curved straw. You'll need this to make the fart sound. It's going to be hilarious. Let's do it. Alright, so first, you're going to get it under your shirt, put it under your armpit, get it perfect. Hold on. Go. You can make it good, like, put it under your armpit. It's gonna be so funny, and our friends will laugh. Like, hey, what was that? Here's a demonstration. Like, at a party, you could be like, and you can even like tuck it under your shirt so it can't see. That would be so fun. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, leave a comment below, subscribe. Bye.